about our project Mars Explorer. The purpose of Mars Explorer is to explore Mars. Now I will tell you the theme of the Mars Explorer. I will tell you science and technology. And I will tell you engineering, arts and mathematics. Science in this project is space exploration. With the help of Mars Explorer, we can explore Mars. Technology in this project is satellite movement. The way it's moved, for example, I will show you how it works. We will start it from here, like this. Then we will choose our mode. I will choose mode 2 and then we will click on this red button. Like this, it is going to work. And now I will tell you engineering, art and mathematics. Engineering, structure of spacecraft. When we send a spacecraft in space, we have to design very special equipment to send it in space, so it can be protected by dangerous things in space. Arts, labeling. The labeling of Mars Explorer, for example, these tires, these spikes, this pointed top, this gear, everything is labeled in its own way. The last one is mathematics. The mathematics in this is radius, diameter, area, perimeter and velocity. For example, these tires, they have ratios and diameter. The upper part, this and this, it has area and perimeter. The top part has velocity. So it will tell us which speed we are going and which speed we will need to go further. Thank you. This is a project about Mars Explorer. We hope you like it. Thank you.